So today we are about to board the Hogwarts Express. It's July 31st. Happy birthday, Harry Potter. We're going to play a little bit of a Harry Potter themed game. It's a twist on flies up. So instead of just catching a ball, you have to put the Quaffle ball through your hula hoops, through the hoops to get a point. Every time you get one through, it's 10 points. At some point during the game, the Golden Snitch is going to come out. If you catch the Golden Snitch, then you get 150 points and the game is over. So here we go. 10 points to Mark.
Get more than one of
Okay, both of you. Yeah, 2 of you can do it. That's totally great. 10 points, Mom. 10 points, Mark. 10 more points to Mark.
I got.
Oh, and the Golden Snitch flew and nobody caught it. 10 points each there.
I made it! I got it!
You have to.
I made it!
Ah, he caught the Snitch! Cameron wins! Woo! Happy face, Dad! Awesome. So if you want, we play games like this all the time. Go ahead and like, subscribe, or comment, and we will see you later.
Have you seen this trick? I can go like this.
Whoa!